Hello guys, I'm new here, I'm kind of new here. My name is Vic. Now today I'll be showing you how to do a vending machine, and please, I want about 100 likes. Now you can see more of my things I will put on YouTube. I'll upload them. Yeah, this is how we do the vending machine. We'll do it right over here. All you need is sandstone, glass, button, dropper, and choose whatever you want to put in it. You can choose apples or cookies, any one of them. Wait, I'll just put it to noon. Yeah, yeah, right there. Dig it. Put the dropper. Put the apple in the dropper like this. Apples. 13. Put it up here. Press the button. And I'll block it. Friends, guys, this is how it works. And if you want, you can do a little decoration with it, like this. Yeah, it's really cool. Friends,
You have to wait for that to do the thing. It do it already.